Now, recently, the High Court in Pretoria issued a ruling declaring the exclusive Afrikaner township of Klipfontein, situated in eastern Pretoria, to be illegal.
Hey, Ujani, my South African brothers and sisters, you guys good? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in and welcome back once again to the channel. And on this vlog, man, I want us to talk about something really interesting. I did drop a vlog a couple of hours ago talking about the Orania situation, and somebody sent me something which just happened recently. I think there's another Orania situation that has been in place in South Africa, so we are going to talk about that right now. But before we do, man, it is always an honor and a pleasure to have you stop by and check out what we have to say and engage with me in the comment section. But before we do get started, do not forget, man, you will look, let me just say this, man, be part of the family. Hit that subscribe button. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have been dropping vlogs recently, and we've been looking at our brothers and sisters in South Africa because albeit everything that they are saying online, the propaganda they're saying online, some of us are worried because they are going towards a path that 20 years from now is going to be a different situation. And we all know the era of yesteryears, man, the apartheid era, where our brothers were literally day for tooth and nail, and marvel and help them to get to where they are today. It is sad to see that they are constantly pushing these narratives that immigrants and especially African immigrants in their country are the worst of the worst. Like, they don't come online to tell you that, yo, there are medical doctors that are from different parts of Africa. They don't come online and tell you that they are scientists, they are biologists, they are bankers and stuff like that. They don't tell you all of that. And you would think that every single one of every immigrant who is in South Africa from different parts of Africa is just out there to do nonsense. But that is not true. But that is a conversation for a different day. Now, I want us to talk about, I dropped the vlog a couple of hours ago talking about Orania, and somebody let me know that there is another situation in the north, and actually Pretoria. It is called Klipfontein. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I think there's a high court in Pretoria ruled that that camp, I will call it a camp because it is illegal. Now, what is Klipfontein? Klipfontein has over 600 houses, and it is another exclusively Afrikaans area. Now, let's pause and let's take some things in. Now, you have Orania, and then you are having another situation of Klipfontein in the north, and then later down the road you will discover that another one will pop off. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a question to all my black South Africans who have been on my case, because I'm really putting that work to do some research and drop vlogs. I want to ask you, you guys keep saying that you are a beautiful, loving country, rainbow country, right? Why is it that 8%, 8 to 10%, because I know that the Afrikaans make up 8 to 10% of the population in South Africa, which is why, apartheid is like minority trying to rule the majority, and we all know that you guys are over 70+%, our black South Africans. And why is it that if you keep saying that you are one, you are together with the 8%, why are they secretly creating a white-only city? Why is it that? Because if you tell me that, hey, we are all rainbow smiling and everything, you guys need to be able to live together. But why am I seeing another situation of Orania? Why do white South Africa actually find the need to look for a place and just be there by themselves? It's like, hey, let's stay this way and let's keep them over there. Let's create a community for ourselves, just us. And let's keep them out of our community because they are not like us. And we are not like them. Now, some of you guys, I want you to leave a comment and let me know exactly what the situation is and why you think this is the case. Because if Orania is in place and then Klipfontein was in place, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, man. Forgive my pronunciation, but if these two places are presently actually real in South Africa, then, ladies and gentlemen, I will tell you without jinxing my words that there is a problem going on in South Africa. And our black brothers and sisters are either ignoring it or they are too small-minded to see it. I keep using small-minded because I don't want to sound disrespectful. And if you take the word small-minded as being disrespectful, then you definitely are not supposed to engage on this channel. You feel me? Now, I don't want to talk much. There is a video actually. I want you guys to watch this video and then I will come back. It is just a piece of news about this whole Pretoria High Court telling these Africans that, hey, where you guys are, it is an illegal situation and you guys cannot be there. My question is this: why would you let them build right up to 600 houses before you tell them this? Let's watch the video.
Now, recently, the High Court in Pretoria issued a ruling declaring the exclusive Afrikaner township of Klipfontein, situated in eastern Pretoria, to be illegal. The court found that the residents of the roughly 650 homes in the area are participating in illegal activities. For more insights on this, we're joined by Antoinette.
Klipfontein was established in the late 1990s. It was really when the signs were clear that the country is going to change from a situation where whites were ruling to an inclusive community based on our constitution. Then a group of Afrikaners, or as they call themselves, Boere Afrikaners, they tried to establish a volksstaat, an exclusive state for people who think like they do and excludes others in terms of race and culture.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And as you guys heard, the High Court has ruled it is illegal. But my question is this: if Klipfontein is illegal, why are they not ruling for Orania to be illegal? Because I've said it like I said in the previous vlog. If you guys are a country, you guys are in peace, you love your neighbors, why is there a need for one minority to create their own quote-unquote city, an independent city or an independent state where it's just them? You know, they see their kind every day and they are comfortable. I don't understand this whole concept of trying to seclude yourself intentionally. Well, now it is said that it is more like it's a business. And just like the lady said, what's her name, Antoinette Slabert, she said it's a business and you buy shares, you do not buy land. Yes, because we all know that land issue is a very sensitive issue in South Africa. As a matter of fact, there's a vlog coming on that we are going to talk about that, the whole concept of land and between the Africans and our black brothers and sisters in South Africa. An issue is they have been, you know, working like on eggshells with them now. But why is it that when you buy, as you said, you buy shares and then they give you a piece of land and then you build your house? Now, I want you guys to let me know, what do you think this High Court in Pretoria's ruling would do? What is the impact? Are they going to go in there and destroy everything? Or black South Africans will start going into these places to try to reclaim these houses that these folks have created? And we know that that is a ticking time bomb. This issue of land is a ticking time bomb. That's my time and I appreciate you watching it so far. Do leave your comment and let me know. Why is it that Africans or the Dutch settlers in South Africa are trying to move away and create their own little niche where they might, you know, live and, you know, do everything by themselves? Let MisterJaay know. Bless up, and hey, I hope you did hit that subscribe button, smash the like. Stay blessed and I'll see you in the next vlog. Peace.